I took the 4th of July off and got back to work. I also got sunburned. Yeah. All right, Mr. Crandall, let me see if I can get these in chronological order.
Boom. No warm-up, no sugarcoating. The judge opens with a straight shot. You're going to jail. That's not just courtroom talk. That's what happens when you rack up 12 suspensions and ignore unpaid tickets. Would you call this fair or too harsh?
I got stopped for driving suspended. Second offense, and filed 25791 ST on April 25th. On that same day, April 25th, he was charged with driving without any valid insurance and filed 25792. Then on April 13th, he was again charged driving without any insurance and driving with a suspended license. That's 25904 SM and 905 ST. Then, just for extra measure, he got a new charge of driving suspended on June 26th and improper play of a registration plate. He hasn't even been arraigned on that charge yet, but I believe the prosecutor is aware of it. So there's a package plea agreement. The defendant is going to plead to one count of driving suspended second offense. And that would be in file 25791 ST. And everything else would get dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, Your Honor.
After 159, this is what's called a package plea. Deal plead guilty to one main charge and the rest get dropped. It's like legal damage control, but with Bobby's rap sheet. Even the deal feels like a stretch.
I'm not sure if this new case was part of this. Were you aware of his June 26th case?
Oh, he did. June 26th, you said?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I do remember him contacting me about that to inform me of it, but what does that have a file number?
Yes, 25904 SM.
Okay, so it's my understanding that would be part of the package agreement.
Okay. All right, one DWLS second to encompass everything. Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor.
Driving while license suspended, DWLS. Second offense is a misdemeanor. That means up to 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine. And yes, it hits your driving record again. Still think driving dirty is worth it?
Punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. Carries 2 points and requires that your license be suspended. You understand?
I'm sorry. I was talking with my lawyer.
Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You understand?
Yes.
All right, you're going to plead a DWLS second in file number 251241 ST. Dismiss all other files. All right, Mr. Crandall, you heard me go through the rights several times this morning. Do you understand you have those same rights?
Yes.
Did anybody promise you anything to get you to plead to this?
No, they didn't threaten me or anything else, please.
All right, well, let me take a look at your ticket, this particular one. In that case, that was a ticket that you got Michigan Avenue Railroad Drive on April 25th. Driving suspended second, no insurance, and improper plea. 11 o'clock in the morning, Michigan Avenue and Railroad Drive, right downtown. Where were you going?
I was trying to check on some mechanic work at the time.
Was your license suspended at that time?
I think it was.
Yeah, in addition to all the ones here, you've got several in Kalamazoo. You got a September 23 case of driving without a license and you failed to pay the fine. No proof of insurance.
Here's the million-dollar question. Why do people keep driving when they know they can't? Is it desperation, habit, or just a gamble they think they'll win? Drop your thoughts below. I want to hear a real opinion.
Driving suspended. 3/11 of 18. Driving suspended, failed to pay a license 2016. And then these all right in a row. I don't get it. It's like you just don't care.
Well, I care, trust me.
You're driving with no insurance, no plate, and you get pulled over 3 times in 40 days for the same thing.
I have no fines here in this court.
I didn't see any in this thing. Let me look in here. You and I go back a long ways. 2001, driving expired. Proper plate.
Do you know if the defendant has any alcohol related?
No, I don't drink.
Okay.
No, I don't think there's driving suspended. You must have 15 driving suspendeds in here, going back to 2001 when I was still prosecutor. You got defaulted on the registration plate, but that's going to be dismissed.
This is where the courtroom becomes human. The man's alone, his wife's gone. And while the law has zero chill, you can feel the emotional weight. But does empathy change the consequence?
I just don't get it. All right.
Can I explain?
Yes.
My wife is dead. She's been dead for 10 years. I'm the only one where I'm at.
Yes, and you told me that when I met you the last time.
Yeah, yes, and it still goes.
Yes.
Days in jail are immediate. No delay, no extensions. The judge gave Bobby one last shot. And when the system sees a pattern as bad, the hammer drops. Is it justice or just inevitable?